Today I'm going to show you how to set up a reoccurring investment on your Robinhood account. Now we're going to actually be doing this here in real time, step by step on an iOS device. Now we're currently here on the homepage of our Robinhood account, and what we want to do is one of two different things. You could either search for the stock you want to have this reinvestment go through with by the little glass over here to search for that stock, or if you already have it in your portfolio, right over here in our stocks and ETFs, you can go ahead and just click on that stock you want to go ahead and do a recurring purchase with. So for example, we're going to go into our SoFi account. This is by no stretch a investment recommendation. So from here, what we're going to do is look at the section down towards the bottom that says trade. So if we go ahead and click on trade here for us, there is this little section that says buy. We're going to tap over here, and this takes us to a very familiar page that we might see already. But if we look at the top right hand side that says dollars, or it might say shares, you're going to go ahead and tap over here, and then there's this condition right over here that you can set up for recurring investments. So we're going to tap on this, and you're going to see all the different options it lets you. It says every day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. So if we want to say, for example, every week, we're going to do that and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to ask you how much you want to go ahead and put in. Let's just go ahead and say, for example, we want to do $35 every week. We're going to hit continue. And then it's going to ask us which account we want to choose from, whether it's our bank account or from our buying power. So if you maybe have more than enough to cover this and constantly transferring in, you can choose that individual buying power from your account, or you can go ahead and choose from your personal bank account to go ahead and do this with. So whichever option you choose, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. And then if you have margin available, it will say that margin may be used. So for this, you can go ahead and hit continue if you do have margin on. And then here it's going to ask for any backup, which of course will be the account we have on file, or you can skip the backup payment, which means that if you don't have enough in your buying power, it will not make that purchase. So whichever option you choose, you can click continue or skip the backup payment. Now from here, this is just a quick review going over everything, making sure that everything looks great. If you want to change any of the information, just click on the arrow to the right-hand side of each section to go ahead and do any changes. And then if everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on review. And this is just going to be one last checkup. And then if everything looks good, you're going to go ahead and just slide right up. And then that new recurring investment is now all scheduled. Now there is more to learn when it comes to utilizing Robinhood, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.